This is Dale, and this is my nightly video blog for Monday, April 4th. Well, we're just holding on to our put on John Deere and our put on Verizon. Those are the only two things we have open. We did not get into a DTV or ATT or the symbol T today. It was up just a little bit, but it's still all red there. And if it is down tomorrow, I want to still put that on. I want to put on a May 41 put on T. Also, if the SPY continues down, we want to look at putting on an April 206 put, and we'll show you those two things. Other than that, we just want to hold all our positions. Remember, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Options Infinity LLC is not a registered investment advisor or a licensed broker. Information and videos found on this site are for educational purposes only. Well, let's take a look at the SPY, and you can see that the SPY came down today, and it made a measured move very early on, and then it pulled back, and towards the end of the day, right around 2 o'clock, it made another measured move to the downside, continued down, pulled back a little bit, and right now it's right about there. It closed the day right about there. So if we get a little bit of continuation tomorrow to the downside, I think it makes sense to go ahead and get that April 206 put. If I put a Fibonacci on this first measured move right here, the projection is that the 127 would be at the 205. Let's put on the 161 on that too to see where that might be as a profit picture. 20471. Now, the thing is, if overnight and early on tomorrow it starts going up quite a bit, hold on to that. If it is just kind of sideways, then I think it makes a lot of sense to jump in and get that. On the other hand, if overnight it drops down to these regions, don't bother, because you'll be down here to the -1. So, a lot's going to be up to you as the market opens tomorrow as to how you want to trade the SPY, if you do at all. And as far as TLT still keeps churning right around this regression line. We're looking for a breakout in one direction or another, and we don't have it as of yet. Looking at our directionals, we want to take a peek at AT&T, and you can see over here that we had already set, and then this was a go day. However, it was strong, and I said if AT&T continues to go up, do not get that put. And it did have a relatively bullish day today. Now tomorrow, if it's trading down, I think we can go ahead and place that put trade. So watch that one tomorrow morning on AT&T. The other ones that we have, of course, are John Deere. John Deere continued to be down today, so we're doing quite well on that. And the other one was Verizon. Verizon was up again. Now, what's interesting about this is, we've been looking for Verizon to come back on down. At one point in time, we held it as a hedge against our strong call portfolio, and now I think it's way overbought. We've lost some money here on Verizon, but I'm still staying with that because just about everything we've dropped on Verizon, we have picked up on our John Deere trade. So why not just keep holding on to two of them, as I see a little bit of a market weakness. And the other things that I am watching, of course, is AT&T, and we continue to watch Procter & Gamble, as Procter & Gamble has shown us, never really given us a go signal. Let me zero in on that. You can see we had a ready, abort, ready, abort, and now another ready day. Okay, so tomorrow if we have a lower low here, that'll be a set, and then on Wednesday we'd be talking about a go. So we're keeping an eye on Procter and Gamble, and the other one I'm keeping an eye on is Danaher, as Danaher gave a change of color today. There's a ready day on Danaher, as it's up around where it was overbought and money flow is coming out. It's between the 161 and the 261 on the fibs, but you can see it's starting to bend around. So we'll keep an eye on that. The same thing, we're keeping an eye on Procter and Gamble. We've got towards the end of the week, we'll be doing our theta trades, and we'll be talking more about that as the week goes on. At this point in time, I'm still leaning towards a bear call on the RUT. And that's my blog for tonight. Come on back tomorrow night. Bye-bye now.